Something just can't be expressed in words. My eyes a little wet by seeing free flying birds in sky. These are the tears of happiness seeing freely flying birds up in the sky. Thanks to the fearless leader who faced it on and made the tough time passed by. Love can speak volume when words become less. Love for freedom of someone had made us blessed. Blessed with the freedom the moment we share. Come, let's learn to love for our nation and care to our people. Come, let's wish our India a very happy Independence Day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Pathan Taura Imran Khan and today I am going to discuss on the topic Independence Day 2023. We celebrate Independence Day since 1947. So I don't think anyone over here don't know what is Independence Day. British colonized over India. Many lost their life. Many lost their bloodshed. So many women, so and so, and finally our India was free. See, I know it's not easy as I'm saying, but still, why to discuss on the something which is easily available on Google and Wikipedia? Because hello, it's modern era where we find Twitter, Snapchat, Facebook, WhatsApp on the phone of each. Oh, it's Independence Day. Let me have beautiful photograph with the caption hashtag Independence Day, hashtag celebrating Independence Day, hashtag I am free, hashtag I love India forever, hashtag sending to forwarding to my colleagues, WhatsApp status updated, in Insta story updated, and Independence Day done. This is what most of the people do on Independence Day. Some might live in their house, not even ready to step out, and the next day of independence, as the Independence Day gone, their so-called nationalism gone. It is quite funny that we take care of our parents each day. Our parents take care of us each day. But caring for our mother India, we just have 3 days in Republic Day, Independence Day, and Earth Day, and we say we love our India. Well. नाचा नाचा जीवन न बड़ा धन चाहिए, नाचा जीवन न बड़ा धन चाहिए, बस बना रहे ऐसा वतन चाहिए, बस बना रहे अमन ऐसा वतन चाहिए, जिंदा है जब तक धरती से मोहब्बत है, जिंदा है जब तक धरती से मोहब्बत है, मौत का 3 रंगों का कफन चाहिए. But in this era, we hardly love our country. No doubt we say we love our country, but the people who live in hot temperature of Rajasthan, the people who live in cold region of Kashmir, without thinking about their life, day, night, never mind, are the one who truly love their country. We say Captain Man, Avengers, Thor, so and so are our superhero. But why do we fail to mention our soldier? Why do we fail to mention our soldier who actually there to fight for us? Why do we fail to mention our farmer because of whom we have something to eat? Why do we fail to mention our doctor because of whom we are fit today? Why do we fail to mention our teacher because of whom we have something in our brain? Why do we fail to mention our parents because whom we are actually in this world? Why do we fail to mention our own self because what we are today is just because of our sin? Just a simple word. But today we are celebrating Independence Day, the day which is celebrated when someone is truly independent. But honestly, I don't think anyone over here is truly independent because we are celebrating 1947 Independence Day in 2023 without being actually independent. We say we are celebrating 77th year of independence, but still today we are bounded with negative thoughts. We say we are celebrating 77th year of independence, but still today we live in लोग क्या कहेंगे. We are celebrating 77th Independence Day, but still a birth of girl child is accepted, but the boy is celebrated. We say we are celebrating 77th year of independence, but still it is shame to be raped than the rapist. We say we are celebrating 77th year of independence, but still a girl is taught to walk properly, dress properly, sit properly, behave properly, but not once a boy is taught to see properly. With the ego at our top, we are celebrating 77th year of independence. With the people alike, Beti Padhao, Beti Bachao, फिर लेके जाकर किचन में उठाओ. Wow, we are celebrating 77th year of independence. We murdered people for the sake of fame, for the sake of place, and congratulations, we are celebrating 77th year of independence. This 15 August 2023 is not just Independence Day, but the under-constructed Independence Day. Let this 15 August 2023 be actually truly independent. Then meaning. At the last, देश का सर कभी झुकने नहीं देंगे, देश का सर कभी झुकने नहीं देंगे, उड़ान इसकी कभी रुकने नहीं देंगे, उड़ान इसकी कभी रुकने नहीं देंगे। खाते हैं कसम इस देश के मिट्टी की, खाते हैं कसम इस देश के मिट्टी की, हिंदुस्तान का नाम कभी मिटने नहीं देंगे। Thank you so much and all the best for your Independence Day that is truly been achieved by you.